Hi, my name is Kylie Borland and this is Luna. Today we're going to talk about how Luna's visual impairment has affected our training. For those of you who don't know, Luna has a visual impairment. This affects our training in a couple different ways, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about that. I'd also like to talk to you about the exercises that she struggles with and the exercises that she does really, really well. We don't know exactly what causes Luna's visual impairment. We know that she can't really see out of her left eye. We have a suspicion that it could be a cataract. She also could have just poked it on something. We're not exactly sure, but she's got some whiteness in her eye, which tells us that she is partially or fully blind. We're pretty sure that she is just partially. She reacts to certain things that get really close to that eye, which tells us she can at least see something. This affects our training a lot less than some people would probably think. She does all the exercises that all the other horses do. She doesn't have a problem with it. It does, in some cases, take us a little bit longer, especially with the desensitizing. She can't see the objects fully, so it's hard to get her to walk over it, walk around it, or walk through it, whatever it is. We just have to work through that a little bit more and just get her to fully trust me so that she'll walk through it with confidence. That being said, she has very sticky feet. She doesn't like to move as much, especially with the lunging and the round penning. She likes to stop a lot, look at things for a little bit longer, especially obstacles. Those are the biggest struggle for us, but it doesn't stop her from doing them. It does take longer, but we still get through it. The teeter-totter, that was probably actually the biggest one. We had trouble just walking around it, and then going over it was even scarier because it moved. Other things were a lot less scary, but still hard to get through, like the tarp and other plastic bags and things that we put on the ground. Those things also were hard for her. Poles, she also kicks them over a lot. This could partially be just to her personality. She's a lot more cold-blooded. But either way, I'm going to work with her just the same as any other horse, and I'm not going to let that limit her. I might have to make a little bit of adjustments, take a lot more time on them, but they've always come through and done just as well as any of the other horses. She really excels at backing up, yielding the hindquarters, and yielding the forequarters. This could be due to her cold-bloodedness. She doesn't like to move as much. She prefers to do a lot less movement. It's really nice to come back to the exercises that she excels at so that we can end on a good note. Thank you so much for watching. Working with Luna has been such an amazing opportunity. If you have a horse with challenges, disabilities, or an impairment, I really encourage you to spend so much time with it and just put a lot of extra effort into working with them because it is so worth it for you and the horse.